हमारी इंग्लिश लिसनिंग प्रैक्टिस वीडियोस को इतना प्यार देने के लिए थैंक यू। आज भी आपको एक न्यू इंग्लिश स्टोरी सुनाई जाएगी और फिर आपका टेस्ट होगा जिससे पता चलेगा कि आप कितने अच्छे से सुन पाए, समझ पाए। ये स्टोरी स्क्रीन पर लिखी भी आएगी और सुनाई भी जाएगी ताकि आपकी रीडिंग और लिसनिंग प्रैक्टिस दोनों हो सकें, और फिर स्क्रीन से हटा दी जाएगी और तब शुरू होगा आपका टेस्ट। सो स्टोरी को ध्यान से सुनना। वीडियो के एंड में आपको टेस्ट के आंसर्स मिल जाएंगे और तब मुझे कमेंट्स में बताना कि आपके कितने आंसर्स करेक्ट हुए। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज की इंग्लिश स्टोरी।
Once upon a time, three neighbors living in a village were having trouble with their crops. Each of the neighbors had one field, but the crops on their fields were infested with pests and were wilting. Every day, they would come up with different ideas to grow their crops. The first one tried using a scarecrow in his field. The second used pesticides. And the third built a fence on his field, all to no avail. One day, the village head came by and called the three farmers. He gave them each a stick and asked them to break it. The farmers could break them easily. He then gave them a bundle of 3 sticks and again asked them to break it. This time, the farmers struggled to break the sticks. The village head said, "Together you are stronger and work better than you do it alone." The farmers understood what the village head was saying. They pulled in their resources and got rid of the pests from their fields.
सो ये थी हमारी इंग्लिश स्टोरी और अब बारी है टेस्ट की।
The three neighbors were having trouble with their dash. A. Finances. B. Crops. C. Relationships. D. None of these. Next question. How many fields did each neighbor have? A. 3. B. 2. C. 1. D. 4. Next question. The fields were infested with dash. A. Pests. B. Cockroaches. C. Birds. D. Animals. Next question. What did the first neighbor try to grow his crops? A. Scapegoat. B. Insects. C. A scarecrow. D. Pesticides. Next question. What did the second neighbor try to grow his crops? A. A scarecrow. B. Pesticides. C. Cows. D. Goats. Next question. What did the third neighbor try to grow his crops? A. Pesticides. B. Built a fence. C. A scarecrow. D. None of these. Next question. Who gave the 3 farmers each a stick? A. Their relative. B. Their friend. C. Village head. D. None of these. Next question. What were the farmers asked to do with the stick? A. They were asked to burn it. B. They were asked to carve it. C. They were asked to use it on the field. D. They were asked to break it. Next Question. Together you are dash and work better than you do it alone. A. Weak. B. Stronger. C. Weaken. D. Strongly. Next question. Were the 3 farmers successful in getting rid of the pests? A. I have no idea. B. Maybe. C. No. D. Certainly.
अब बारी है आंसर्स की, लेकिन उससे पहले मैं आपको बता दूं कि अगर आप बिल्कुल शुरू से इंग्लिश सीखना चाहते हैं तो मेरा फुल स्पोकन इंग्लिश कोर्स आ चुका है, जिसमें मैंने बेसिक लेवल से एडवांस लेवल तक बहुत ही अलग तरीके से, मजेदार तरीके से इंग्लिश सिखाई है। एक वेब सीरीज की तरह कोर्स बनाया है। हंसते हंसाते आपको इंग्लिश के सारे कॉन्सेप्ट्स क्लियर हो जाएंगे। ग्रामर के कॉन्सेप्ट से लेकर सेंटेंस बनाने तक हर चीज समझ में आ जाएगी। इसमें आपको मिलेंगे 60 वीडियो लेसन्स, नोट्स मिलेंगे, क्विजेस मिलेंगे, प्रैक्टिस ग्रुप है जिसमें स्टूडेंट्स ऑडियो और टेक्स्ट मैसेजेस में प्रैक्टिस करते हैं और कोर्स कंप्लीट होने पे सर्टिफिकेट भी मिलेगा। इसको ज्वाइन करने का लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है या फिर आप awwalenglish.com पर भी जा सकते हैं। अगर होना है सफल तो फॉलो अव्वल।